Have you ever wondered how crucial iodine is to your hair health? It's a question that might not cross your mind frequently, but the role of iodine in hair health is worth understanding. Iodine plays a vital role in the functioning of your thyroid gland. This small, butterfly-shaped gland located in your neck is a powerhouse that regulates numerous functions in your body. And among these functions, the production of thyroid hormones stands out. These hormones are essential for the growth and development of your body, including your hair. Now, where does iodine come into play? Well, iodine is a key ingredient that your thyroid gland uses to produce these hormones. Without adequate iodine, your thyroid may struggle to produce enough hormones. This can lead to a condition called hypothyroidism, which, among other symptoms, can cause your hair to become thin, brittle, or even fall out. On the other hand, too much iodine can lead to hyperthyroidism, a condition where the thyroid produces too many hormones. This can also impact your hair, potentially causing it to thin or fall out. So, it's not just about having iodine in your diet, but about having the right amount. The importance of a balanced iodine intake for hair health cannot be overstated. It's like walking a tightrope, too little or too much, and you risk falling off balance, impacting your hair health. Seafood, dairy products, and iodized salt are good sources of iodine. Incorporating foods like fish, shrimp, seaweed, yogurt, and eggs into your diet can help ensure an adequate intake of iodine. But remember, balance is the key. If you're concerned about your hair health and wondering if iodine might be the missing piece of the puzzle, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide guidance based on your specific needs and circumstances. So the next time you think about your hair health, remember the crucial role that iodine plays. It's not just about the hair products you use or how often you brush, but also about the nutrients you consume. And iodine, with its crucial role in thyroid function, is one of those key nutrients.